Imagine presenting a PowerPoint deck that looks like this: transformation before your eyes. The Morph Transition is available if you have Microsoft 365 or PowerPoint 2019. To use the Morph Transition effectively, you'll need to have two slides with at least one object in common. The easiest way is to duplicate the slide, and then on that second slide, move an object to a different location or change the size. Then apply the Morph Transition on that second slide to see what Morph can do to automatically animate and move your object. Now let's see that again. You'll simply duplicate the slide. On the second slide, make some sort of changes to those common objects. And then on that second slide, go to your Transitions tab and choose Morph. You can click Preview to see the Morph Transition in action. Now your slides will come to life in a different way so that you can actually tell a story with objects.